Viewers, today I will show you about the cargo eductor, how it works and how you do educting your cargo tank. Okay, so remember guys, the basic principle of eductor I have in my channel, the other videos, you can check that video guys. You see, this is the cargo eductor. You see eductor, this is called the cargo eductor. You see, these are the ballast eductor. Okay, so today is my topic is cargo eductor. So guys, you have to understand that this line is for driving fluid. Okay, this line is for driving fluid and this side is for suction. Okay, when your driving fluid is passing this way, low pressure vacuum is creating over this area and this will suck through this line. Okay, means if any line you can connect with this line, so it will suck your cargo. Okay guys, this is the driving side, driving fluid is passing and this side is suction. Vacuum is creating here since the driving fluid is passing, so vacuum is creating here, so and the low pressure is creating, so it will suck your cargo from any line if you just connect this line with that line. Okay, so let's do it guys one by one. So you trace the driving fluid is coming from where guys? For the cargo eductor, driving fluid is coming from number 1 pump, number 2 pump, number 3 pump. Any pump you can supply the driving fluid by any pump. Okay, so remember this one. So guys, and guys, remember you have the slop port tank. You see this one, slop port tank. So slop port or slop starboard, any one you can use for driving fluid, means you can store some cargo, means you can keep some cargo in your slop port. And guys, just trace the line. You see this is the slop port, so just trace the line, valve open. You see, just trace the line, valve open, just trace the line. You see this way, it will take suction by number 1 pump, also by number 2 pump, also by number 3 pump. You see guys, so you understand guys. So any pump 1, 2, 3, by any pump you can take suction from slop port or slop starboard, anyone. Okay, so normally in our this ship we keep some cargo in slop port, normally 300 metric ton or 400 metric ton like that, or 300 meter cube or 400 meter cube cargo we keep in the slop port for educting purpose. Okay, so guys, okay, we keep cargo in for slop port and line up from slop port to the cargo pump. Normally guys, at the discharging time, at the end of the discharge, we always finish the group 1 first. Group 1 means 1 wing and 4 wing. This red line is connected with the 1 wing and 4 wing, so this 1 wing and 4 wing we finish first, and number 1 pump is free, so we use this number 1 pump for taking cargo from slop port to give the driving fluid to the eductor. Okay, so line up this one guys. So I think you understand the lineup until this much, from slop port to this number 1 pump. So from number 1 pump, you see, trace the line, just trace the red line. You see this way, just go this way. You see this line, trace this line, trace this line. You see eductor, you see. So number 1 line can give the cargo to the eductor for driving fluid. Okay, and same way guys, your number 2 means yellow line and your this green line also can give cargo. You see this way, can give cargo to the eductor. Okay, so okay, in our this ship we always do by number 1 pump give the driving fluid. Okay, so guys, I think you understand that we can give driving fluid by number 1, number 2, number 3, any pump. You see this way we can give the driving fluid to the eductor. Okay, and you see from the eductor is going to the slop port again. You see, I am taking cargo from slop port by number 1 pump or by any pump and put the cargo as a driving fluid to the eductor, and it will going back again to the slop port, means it's a recirculation procedure guys. Okay, it's a recirculation procedure is here. Okay, remember. Okay, understand guys. Normally in our ship we use the number 1 pump for giving the driving fluid, because of normally at the end of our discharging time we one wing, four wing finish first, and so that number one pump is free. So this one we use. So guys, it's up to you guys, any pump you can use, but we use number one pump. So you can also use number one pump to give the driving fluid to your eductor. Okay, this much is clear guys, I think it's clear. So now we will see that this is the suction line, okay, because low pressure is creating here. So this is the suction line. So you see this line is connected with which line? Connected with this line, number 3 line, also connected with number 2 line, you see, also connected with number 1 line. Okay, so guys, you can do educting any of your tank, okay, remember guys. So just you can line up your any of the tank.